Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I want to say a big welcome to you as we embark on a journey together to learn all about designing your own complex candle spells through my Advanced Candle Magic Secrets workshop. If you're brand new to candle magic, you might want to take my Beginning Candle Magic Foundations on demand workshop before you take this course so that you have a strong foundation of understanding. But if you're already familiar with candle magic, then you're definitely going to expand your skills in ways you've never imagined with these bite-sized lessons that will look at some mind-blowing techniques for creating powerful spells utilizing detailed supports that you may have never considered before. If you're ready to make some really amazing magic, then buckle up your seatbelt and get ready for some advanced candle magic secrets. All right, so in this workshop, we're going to be looking at so much today. So we're going to be looking first at reviewing the basics. I think that's good to get started when we're looking at candle magic, to first give a very quick review of what you should already know. Again, if you don't know these basics, you might want to go back and take the Beginning Candle Magic Foundations workshop. So before you get started here. Next, we'll be looking at how you design a spell. And the beginning of that is, of course, choosing the candles. We're going to go over all the different types of candles that are out there, what they're good for, what their advantages, pros and cons, and so on. And we'll look at those as we look at choosing candles. Next, we're going to be looking at numerology in candle spells and looking at how numbers can add an extra element of support to our candle magic. After that, we'll be looking at advanced timings. Some of those include that numerology, but we'll be looking at some advanced timings beyond just waxing and waning moon and days of the week and so on. Multi-candle spells. Well, this is where we get into beautiful complex spells, looking at multiple candles and how we can incorporate them in our spells to truly customize a complex spell. Then we'll be looking at multi-day spells and how we can bring numerology into this and do spells over the course of a certain number of days to bring in the energy of that number to support our magic. After that, we'll be looking at candle spell layouts and ideas that we can use to create some interesting dynamics with shape and using candles and powders and other things to create those layouts. Then we'll start looking at candle magic divination. Just a quick overview of these concepts because there are more in-depth workshops on all of these. But first we'll be looking at pyromancy, which is candle flame reading. Then we'll be looking at capnomancy, which is candle smoke reading. Finally, we'll be looking at ceromancy, which is candle wax reading. All of these can give us more information about our spells so that we know what we need to do next or what we need to do to support our intention. Then we'll talk about how you create a complex candle plan, and finally, what you want to record for your candle spells in your grimoire. So we got a lot of stuff to cover. So go ahead, buckle up, and we're going to get started at looking at these amazing advanced candle magic secrets.